So I've been navigating the crypto world for roughly 5.5 years at this point, and during that whole period, I've gone through maybe 40 different platforms trying to figure out what actually works reliably. And the single biggest pain point has always been exchanging and the exit strategy, converting holdings back into traditional money, actual cash you can deposit in a bank or spend normally. The main challenge is, okay, the space is completely infested with scam operations disguised as legitimate exchanges. Absolutely infested. And I'm saying this from direct experience because I've been ripped off by these things on multiple occasions, lost money to platforms that just disappeared, dealt with the whole nightmare scenario. So these days, I'm incredibly cautious about where my funds go. So for the past 19 months though, I've been working exclusively with this one exchange platform and it's been performing perfectly, like genuinely reliable. So let me show you the actual mechanics. Okay, so let's go with TRON to USDT TRC20 for this one. Yeah, that works. So first thing I need to do is, fine, pick my token pair here, TRX on the sending side. Scrolling through, there we go, found it. And then USDT TRC20 for receiving. Tap that. Nice. Exchange rate shows up right here. And actually, this rate's pretty decent, honestly. I checked a couple other platforms maybe an hour ago just to compare, and yeah, this is competitive. Maybe even slightly better on some of them. Okay, next thing, my destination wallet address. So this part is critical, okay? You gotta make absolutely sure this address is correct. So switching to my wallet app, copying the address, back here, pasting it. Perfect, everything matches. Next, the terms screen, scrolling through, quick verification, rates accurate, wallet address matches, looks good. Clicking confirm and create order. Done, order's live in the system. So now, I gotta send the tokens to this address. One moment, please. Switching back to exchange, clicking I've sent the payment button here. Done. Now we're just in processing mode. It usually wraps up in about a few minutes or so, sometimes faster. So I'm gonna speed this part up for you. And done. Exchange complete. Now I just gotta wait for the tokens to hit my wallet balance. So while this goes through, here's what I've learned from getting burned repeatedly by fraudulent platforms. The clearest warning sign is when they make it difficult to contact them outside their platform. Like every scam exchange I've used either had no social media presence or their social accounts were clearly fake with purchased followers and no real engagement. This app, Fine, has an actual community, real users posting about their experiences, genuine discussions happening. That organic presence is something scams can't fake effectively. Another major red flag, platforms that constantly push you to deposit more. I used one exchange back in 2021 that would send notifications every day about special deposit bonuses or limited opportunities to add funds. That's predatory behavior designed to extract maximum money before they exit scam. So real advice for anyone watching, never use a platform just because it has high ratings on random review sites. Those can be purchased easily. Instead, look for consistent long-term operation and actual user discussions in neutral spaces like Reddit or crypto forums. Also, fine, screenshot your deposit transactions and keep records of everything. If something goes wrong, you'll need that documentation, and it also helps you track patterns if a platform starts acting suspicious. I've done 27 withdrawals through this app at different amounts, all successful, all documented. That track record matters more than any marketing or promises. So that's my honest assessment based on actual usage. Links down in the description and pinned in comments. See ya.